If you are busy Indian woman trying to lose fat, you don't need another recipe. You need a backup plan and a system. Because fat loss doesn't fail on perfect days. It fails on travel days, social gathering, weekends, no time to cook, hectic work schedule, staying late at work, social days, parties, and period a week where you have constant low energy. So today I'm going to share one meal system that is going to be your backup meal that you should always use as a backup, even if you want to snack in between your meals, or even if you want to have this as your actual meal. And this is the same structure my clients use inside my freedom coaching program, Get Fat Loss Results. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. See, I will be very clear. You don't overeat because you are lazy. You overeat because when you are hungry, you don't have a backup plan और एनी ऑप्शन टू हैव इट. तो आप क्या करते हो? जो ईजी होगा वो करोगे, या फिर आप ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर करोगे, या फिर फूड पिकअप करोगे, या और एल्स यू आर जस्ट गोइंग टू ऑर्डर कॉफी from your nearest Tim Hortons or McDonald's or Starbucks with donut, croissant, which is only going to make you more hungry within just an hour. Or you are going to lose your self-control जब आप ऑफिस में जो sweets, chocolates, desserts, snacks रखे होते हैं उसको देख के आप अपना control lose कर दोगे, because when you are hungry, your mind doesn't want you to think more on what you should eat and what you should not eat. Because अगर आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि जब भी आप हंग्री होते हो, आपको अंदर से ही अच्छा खाना, हेल्दी खाना मन नहीं करेगा वो खाना खाने का. It's not you, it's your mind playing games with you. Because your mind needs instant energy rush जो उसको मिलेगा simple carbs मतलब शुगर से. So your mind is only going to ask you to have those foods, and that is what you call craving. So it's not actual hunger, it's just your mind is freaking with you. You don't know कि जब ऐसे situations आए तो मैं क्या खाऊं, right? So that's not a discipline issue. That's actually a lack of structure, I would say, or a preparation issue. So today I'm going to share you the structure, okay? देखो, पूरे मील में मतलब एक अच्छा मील, बैलेंस मील बनाने के लिए हमको 3 चीज़ें चाहिए. मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स, प्रोटीन, carbohydrates, and healthy fats for hormones. One thing is also important that we make sure whatever we are eating, at least it should have 5 to 10 grams of fiber, so we are going to be full for longer period of time. So that is going to be our standard rule. That is going to be main priority while choosing any meal, okay? Even if some meals doesn't have that much amount of fiber, it's still good, but we have to make sure it's easy कि आप कहीं पे भी आपको मिल सकता है, nearest like within 5 kilometers of range. And number 2, you can have different options that you can choose from. So number 1 is protein. So in protein, I'm going to share 3 options that you can grab easy to go anywhere. So the first option is protein bar. आपको कहीं से भी nearest grocery store से आप कोई भी प्रोटीन बार पिकअप कर सकते हो. जस्ट मेक श्योर यू फॉलो 1:10 रूल, मतलब हर 10 कैलोरी में 1 ग्राम प्रोटीन होना चाहिए, राइट? सो इफ़ वी फोकस ऑन दिस प्योर प्रोटीन, इट सेज 20 ग्राम ऑन द लेबल, बट इसकी कैलोरी 190 है एंड देन इट हैज़ 20 ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोटीन. इट इज़ ईजी कि एटलीस्ट 190 कैलोरीज है, सो इट शुड हैव 19 ग्राम ऑफ प्रोटीन. दैट इज 1:10 रूल. दिस बार हैज 20 ग्राम ऑफ प्रोटीन, राइट? आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस इज द हेल्दीएस्ट सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन, बट बैकअप के लिए चॉकलेट से बेटर है हम ये खाओ. इट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू मेक यू फील लाइक कि आप चॉकलेट खा रहे हो, बट विथ 20 ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोटीन. यू कैन यूज दिस एज अ बैकअप प्लान. सो ये आपका प्रोटीन का पहला ऑप्शन हो गया. अगर आपको प्रोटीन नहीं खाना, सो व्हाट आई डू, आई व्हेनेवर आई एम ट्रैवलिंग और व्हेनेवर आई एम गोइंग आउट, आई डू दिस देसी जुगाड़. जिप बैग में 1 स्कूप ऑफ प्रोटीन जो आप यूज़ करते हो उसको ले लो. आई ऑलवेज कीप दिस इन माई बैग एज अ बैकअप. एनीवेयर आई कैन जस्ट ग्रैब वाटर एंड मिक्स इट. और एल्स अगर आपको जिप बैग में नहीं लेना, यू कैन ऑलवेज यूज दिस एंड हैव अ शेकर विथ यू. सो पानी डाला, प्रोटीन डाला, एंड यू जस्ट शेक इट अप एंड देन योर प्रोटीन शेक इज रेडी टू गो. एटलीस्ट योर प्रोटीन इज सॉर्टेड 20 to 25 grams. Okay, so you can do this. This is the second option. Third option, you can always grab fat-free Greek yogurt. This is lactose-free if you have PCOS या if you are lactose intolerant. तो आप lactose-free product choose करो. अगर if you are, और अगर आपको डेयरी से कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, just use the normal fat-free Greek yogurt. The reason I'm saying कि fat-free की यूज़ करना है, हमको डेयरी से फैट नहीं चाहिए. We are going to add fat from sources that is going to give you lot of micronutrients. तो हम यूज़ करेंगे फैट फ्री जस्ट टू मेक श्योर कि इसका कैलोरी कम हो जाए. अनवांटेड फैट जो हमको डेयरी से मिल रहे हैं वो नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू एड ऑन. एंड अनदर प्लेन, बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट एडेड शुगर इन इट. ओके, अगर आपको ये नहीं मिलता, यू कैन चूज एनी योगर्ट जो भी आपको कन्वीनियंस स्टोर से या फिर गैस स्टेशन से मिलता है, बट मेक श्योर यू चूज लेस मिनिमम शुगर. जो जिसमें भी है वो वाला ऑप्शन यूज करो. जहाँ पे भी ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, इवन इफ यू आर गोइंग आउट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, कहीं पे भी इफ यू फाइंड एनी स्टोर, मतलब Atlantic Superstore, Real Canadian Store, Walmart, Costco, कुछ भी, so you can buy this and have it. So this is going to be, जिसको प्रोटीन बार भी यूज नहीं करना, वे प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंट भी यूज नहीं करना, this is going to be your third option. You can also grab those small ones, but those are mostly preservatives added. मतलब आप ब्लूबेरी, स्ट्रॉबेरी योगर्ट लेते हो तो डोंट थिंक कि उसमें एक्चुअल स्ट्रॉबेरीज या ब्लूबेरीज आते हैं. दे आर ओनली एडिंग प्रिजर्वेटिव्स एंड कलर्स टू इट, सो इट इज बेटर टू हैव दिस वन. और अगर आपको पता है कि आप घर से निकल रहे हो, then what you can do, you can measure amount of quantity that you need. Typically have 175 gram to 250 gram per serving, that is going to give you 18 to 24 gram of protein approx. आप कौन सी ब्रांड यूज कर रहे हो, तो छोटे कोई भी आपके पास डब्बा उसमें ले लो, and then you can always use and eat even during when you are traveling. कहीं पे भी आप खा सकते हो. So this is third option. अभी हमको प्रोटीन क्यों चाहिए? I'll keep it simple. Protein is going to help you with two things. One, it is going to help you preserve a lean muscle mass and going to make you feel fuller for longer period of time. दूसरा, it is going to help you reduce your post meal sugar spike when combined with healthy fats and good form of fiber. And also it is going to make your meal balanced. So ये तीन option हो गया. Protein bar, whey protein supplement, 1 scoop, 1.5 scoop depending upon your choice. And तीसरा, you can always have fat-free Greek yogurt. Number 2 macronutrient is our carbohydrate. Now here things are going to be a little up to your convenient कि आपको क्या खाना है. See, I'm going to give you a little bit more options here, but my first priority I would recommend is always going to be a fruit, because उसमें sugar तो है. It's not same as a processed sugar. फ्रूट में जो शुगर आती है फ्रुक्टोज, दैट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दैट. ओके, सो डोंट कॉम्प्लिकेट थिंग्स कि यार वैसे भी तो शुगर खा ही रहे फ्रूट से. नो, बट फ्रूट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू अ लॉट ऑफ माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड विटामिन्स एज वेल. दैट इज व्हाई माय फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी whenever you are traveling, whenever you are out, or whenever you have to use it as a backup option for your meal, always choose fruits. Now option 1, you can use orange or clementine. Option 2 is going to be कि आप green apple ले सकते हो या regular apple, आपको जो भी अच्छा लगता है ले सकते हो. Number 3 is going to be kiwi. One kiwi is going to fulfill all your vitamin C requirement of your day. So इसमें 4 to 5 grams फाइबर भी आएगा. अगेन इट इज़ लो कैलोरी. जितने भी मैंने ऑप्शंस बोले, मतलब ऑरेंज, एप्पल, कीवी, व्हाट माय बेसिक मेरा थॉट प्रोसेस क्या है कि ईजी टू कैरी हो. अगर आपको ऑलरेडी मतलब स्टोर्स में प्री चॉप्ड फ्रूट्स मिलते हैं, जैसे कि कैंटेलूप हो गया, पाइनएप्पल हो गया, वाटरमेलन हो गया, इफ यू वांट टू हैव इट यू कैन आल्सो टेक दैट. सो इट्स कंप्लीटली अप टू यू. दिस इज व्हाट आई वुड चूज, ये तीन में से, बिकॉज दे आर लो कैलोरी. दोज आर गोइंग टू गिव यू, स्पेशली ऑरेंज एंड कीवी इज गोइंग टू गिव मोर फाइबर, मोर विटामिन सी, एंड यू नो एप्पल अ डे कीप्स डॉक्टर अवे. सो एप्पल basically is going to give you 99% of all vitamins and minerals that your body needs. So this is going to be your option. And if you have hormonal imbalances like PCOS, and these fruits are going to be a best alternative for you. And these fruit options are going to be like portable, easy to carry, no cutting and chopping hassle, simple. Another thing, this is going to fill volume to your meal. Most importantly, it is going to give you energy in forms of like carbs, but natural sources. Or दो option है if you want to add it, but then when you are adding this, you have to take care of the quantity that you are eating per meal. You can also have roasted chana. Make sure you grab unsalted. We also don't want to have कि हमारा sodium intake increase हो जाए. So it is roasted, but make it unsalted. Number 2 is you can always carry popcorn with you, but again quantity matters. So these are carb sources that you can play with depending upon your availability, choice, and whatever your personal preferences are. And third is healthy fats. That is going to help your hormones. That is going to keep you feel fuller for longer period of time. And also remember, whenever you add any kind of healthy fat to your meals, मतलब protein or carbs, that is going to make sure one thing कि आपका जो digestion process है वो slow हो जाएगा. We want that. It is not कि I am signaling towards constipation. Slow हो जाएगा मतलब अगर आप if you only consume protein plus carbohydrate, it might be कि आपको 2-3 घंटे में भूख लग जाए. But when you combine a good healthy source of fats with your food, then it is going to make you feel fuller for longer period of time, at least say 4 to 6 hours. अब लंबे टाइम तक आपको भूख नहीं लगेगी. And when you are on a fat loss journey, you want fats. You can grab any nuts. I have taken almonds and walnuts, 20 gram, 10 gram of almonds and 10 gram of walnuts. Like in this small container, I always use this as a backup. जब भी मतलब समझो कि आज आपको इसकी जरूरत पड़ गई, आज आपने इसको खा लिया. Just make a habit कि आज जब आप घर पे जाओ, you fill this up, तो next time के लिए आपके पास option रहे नहीं कि ऐसा हो जाए कि बैकअप मील ही हमारा बैकअप में ना हो, right? So any nuts, 15 to 20 grams, you can always have. One thing, whenever you are having popcorn, if it's lightly buttered or if it's like regular butter, तो popcorn में आपको already fat मिल जाएगा. Then you have to skip this, otherwise your overall calorie जो होती है meal की, that might go above your budget. So make sure you take care of this small things. So why this combo works? See, this whole meal, if you combine protein, fats and carbohydrate, जो मैंने आज option में आपको बताया, that is going to give you at least 20 to 30 grams of meal, 5 to 10 grams of fiber. It is going to help you reduce your craving. It is going to help you stay fuller for longer period of time. Also going to help you reduce your blood sugar spike, which is very crucial when you have insulin resistance issue, meaning PCOS. And it is definitely going to help you avoid those 3 p.m., 4 p.m. or evening cravings. And again, here is the most important part. You can use this as a snack option, as a mini meal option in between your main meals, or just as a backup meal. or even as a full meal. Just adjust the quantity and portion according to your daily caloric intake. So now, even if you are traveling, even if you are stuck in the meetings, even if you are stuck in the traffic or at the airport or running short with time between your back-to-back meetings, now I have got you covered, so you don't have any excuses. Let me ask you something. How many times have you said, I didn't plan to eat this meal, but I was starving with extreme hunger? Many times, right? Exactly. That is what I'm trying to explain it. Because hunger with no plan is going to make you take a bad decision. But hunger with structure, with a backup system, is going to bring a lot of control in your fat loss journey, which is indirectly going to help you stay consistent. And once you stay consistent, and once you stack this kind of small daily wins, that is how you win, and that is how you get fat loss results, even with a busy schedule, even when you don't have time to cook. So you don't need motivation, you just need systems like this in your fat loss journey. So even if you don't have car, you can always put this kind of backup meals in your bag as an option and use it whenever you need it. If you're telling yourself you don't have time to cook, then this video is your solution, because you don't need time, you just need preparation, and preparation is just going to take 2 to 5 minutes to build this backup system. If you found this video valuable, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I post videos like this every single week for women like you, so that you can get results on your fat loss journey. And if you're struggling on your fat loss journey, you might also want to check out this fat loss system playlist that is going to help you get results and stay consistent on your fat loss journey, even if you have PCOS. Alright, this is your coach JB signing off. Until next time, over and out.